Yes, good morning students. Welcome back to biology class. In last class we discussed about characters of plant kingdom and the basic classification of plant kingdom. So we follow R.H. Whittaker's 5 kingdoms of classification. So plant kingdom is classified into 5 divisions like algae, number 2 bryophyta, number 3 pteridophyta, number 4 gymnosperms, number 5 angiosperms. So these are the 5 divisions in the plant kingdom. So in this class we are going to discuss about the first division, algae. What are the characters of algae and their classification? So actually in this chapter we are going to discuss about the characters of all these groups, all these divisions. Characters, then classification and examples. So today's class we are going to discuss about the first group of plants, the first division, that is algae. Is it clear? So the first division, that is algae. So algae are chlorophyll containing a simple thalloid autotrophic organism. That means the algae are simple chlorophyll bearing autotrophic organism. They are autotrophs. That means they show photosynthetic nutrition. They are mostly found in aquatic medium. That is found in aquatic medium. That is aquatic habitat. That is found both in fresh water and marine water. It is also found in brackish water. Brackish water. Found both fresh water and marine water. Simply you can say they are found both fresh water and marine water. Even sometimes they are found in a different habitat. It is found in moist soil, moist stone, in moist wood. It is also associated with fungi to form lichen. You know lichens. Lichens are the dwell organism, that is a symbiotic relation between algae and fungi. That is a phycobiont and mycobiont. That is a lichen. That means algae associated with fungi to form lichen. Even sometimes this algae also grown on animal body, that is a stalk bean, found on animal body as epizoic. Example, stalk bean. It is found grown on the animal body. Even they grown on the plant body. Epiphytic, epizoic. That means they are found in different habitats. So mostly they are found in aquatic media, that is fresh water and marine water. And also they are found in moist soil, moist stone and moist wood. This is about what occurs. Is it clear? Then the plant body is thalloid. The plant body is a thallus. Plant body is That means the plant bodies are not differentiated into root, stem and leaf. That means the algae do not have, not differentiate into root, stem and leaf. No differentiation, no root, no stem, no leaf. Only there is a thalloid, a green dorsi-ventrally flattened thallus. They are autotrophic. They prepare their own food. Photosynthetic nutrition. Photosynthetic. Photosynthetic nutrition. Plant body's thallus. No differentiation of root, stem and leaf. Is it clear? Then the algae, the size and form is greatly varied. No doubt the plant body is a thallus. Even some algae are different in size and different in form. For example, they are unicellular, like Chlamydomonas, the unicellular algae. Some are filamentous. Filamentous like Ulothrix, Spirovera. Some are colonial, like walrus, colonial form, walrus. Some brown algae, what you call kelp, massive body. Some kelp, massive body. That is kelp, that is belongs to brown algae. That means the algae size and form is greatly varied. Is it clear? Then what are the other characters of this algae? Plant body is a thalloid, no differentiation of root and stem. So there is no vascular tissue. They are non-vascular plants. Non-vascular plants. That means no conducting tissue, no xylem and phloem. Xylem and phloem are absent, non-vascular plant. Okay, then. So I told that they are autotrophic, photosynthetic nutrition. They have true plastic. They have true plastids, which contain different pigments. Pigments like they contains different pigments like chlorophyll, xanthophyll, carotenoids. That means they have different types of pigments. The color of the body, the color of the thallus depends on the pigments. So based on the classification, brown algae, red algae, green algae, this depends upon the predominant pigment present in the thallus. Is it clear? Then they have cell wall. They have cell wall. The rigid cell wall, the mainly made up of cellulose. Cellulose, the main chemical substance. Even the galactons, mannose, even the pectin. These are all a different cell wall material present in the algae. Is it clear? Then, of knowing the cell wall, the nature of the body, they have different pigments. Then, mode of reproduction. Mode of reproduction. Algae reproduce by three methods. One is vegetative mode, the vegetative method, vegetative reproduction. Vegetative reproduction. Second one, asexual reproduction. Asexual reproduction. Third one is sexual reproduction. Okay. So vegetative reproduction is nothing but fragmentation. That means the filamentous algae or the thallus cut into number of fragments, number of small segments. Each fragment develop into new algal body. That is called what? Fragmentation. Then asexual reproduction. Asexual reproduction takes place by producing asexual spores. The most common one is a juice spore. The most common one is the juice spore, the motile juice spore. The spore develop into new algal body. Even sometimes during unfavorable condition, the spores are produced. That is aplanospore. Aplanospores. In some algae they produce monospores. In some algae they produce spores called hypnospores. So different types of spores are produced during asexual reproduction. Each spore develops into new algal body. The most common one is juice spore. Is it clear? Then come to the sexual reproduction. The most important one is the sexual reproduction, where the formation of gametes and the fusion of gametes. So here algal plant body is a gametophyte because they produce gametes. The gametes are fused during sexual reproduction to form a zygote. Zygote directly develop into new young one. Here there is no formation of embryo like other plants. For example, angiosperm or gymnosperm. Here in algae, the one important point is to be noticed, there is no embryogenesis. The zygote directly develop into the new algal body. The zygote itself is a sporophyte. Plant body is a gametophyte. The zygote, the single cell diploid zygote itself, sporophyte. Because algae also shows alternation of generation. Moreover, alternation of generation is an important character of kingdom Plantae. That is, a sporophytic generation alternate with a gametophytic generation. But in algae, the plant body is gametophyte. They produce gametes. The gametes are fused to form a zygote. Zygote is sporophyte. Is it clear? Okay, so come to the sexual reproduction. Sexual reproduction is nothing but the formation of sex cells and fusion of sex cells, what we call gametes, to form a zygote. These gametes are similar in shape and size, morphologically similar or dissimilar. Based on that, the sexual reproduction is once again of three types. One is isogamous. Second one is anisogamous. Third one is oogamous. Isogamy, anisogamy, oogamy. So isogamous means the fusing gametes are similar in shape and size. We cannot distinguish which is a male gamete, which one is a female gamete, because morphologically similar, structure is same, size, shape is same. That gametes may be motile or non-motile. Suppose the isogametes, the fusion of similar gametes, fusion of similar gametes, morphologically similar, size and shape is similar. We cannot easily distinguish which one is a male gamete, which one is a female gamete. For that gametes may be motile. For example, in urethrics, even in the chlamydomonas. Suppose these gametes may be non-motile in Spirogyra. In Spirogyra. Isogamy, but gametes may be motile or may be non-motile. That is what isogams. The phenomenon is called isogamy. Then anisogamy, where the fusion of dissimilar gametes. Fusion of dissimilar gametes. That means one gamete is large and one is small. That is Eudorina. An example of anisogamy. Okay. Then oogames, somewhat advanced type of sexual reproduction, where fusion of large non-motile female gamete and motile small male gamete. Here this female gamete is stationary but large in size. Female gamete is non-motile, stationary. Male gamete is very small and motile. That type of the fusion of gamete is called oogames. The phenomenon is called oogamy. That means fusion of non-motile female gamete with small motile male gamete. Here the non-motile, the female gamete is large. Female gamete is large. Male gamete is small, motile. Example, the volvox. And also fucus. These are my examples for oogamous type. Okay? This is about what reproduction in algae. So these are all important characters of algae. For the final examination, a direct question for 5 marks. Write the characteristics of algae. Okay? Then, so after knowing these characters of algae, classification of algae is also very important, and the characters of the class and examples. Okay? Algae is classified into 3 classes. Classification of algae. Classification of algae. Algae are classified into 3 classes, which are 3 classes mainly based on pigmentation. That is number 1, chlorophyceae. Chlorophyceae. Second one is phaeophyceae. And third one is rhodophyceae. So these are the 3 classes of algae. Mainly the classification based on pigmentation, even the cell wall material and also the reserve food material. So chlorophyceae, the commonly called green algae. Green algae. The predominant pigment is chlorophyll. This is phaeophyceae, that is brown algae. The predominant content is brown pigment. And rhodophyceae, that is red algae. So these are the 3 classes of algae. Is it clear? So in next class we are going to discuss about what are the characters of chlorophyceae, example. What are the characters of phaeophyceae, an example. What are the characters of rhodophyceae, and example. Almost all they have same characters because they all belongs to algae. Majority of characters same. That means they are aquatic, They are found in both freshwater, marine water, plant bodies, thallus. No differentiation of root, stem and leaf. Almost all the characters are same except a few characters like the pigmentation, like cell wall material and reserve food material. They are quite different. Is it clear? Okay students, in next class we are going to discuss about chlorophyll, POPhyll and rhodophyll. Okay, thank you. Bye.